I would like to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, and for those just joining us, you are most welcome to the Ventcraft channel. We hope to say thank you in our next video because we are sure you would click that subscribe button. And everyone, please do ensure you like, comment, and share this video. Okay, hi dear. So today we're going to be designing this. I'm sure you remember this. Can you remember this? Okay, if you did not watch this, I'll be dropping the link in the description so that you will know how to make it, because you will need that, the skill to be able to proceed in this video. All right, so what I'm going to do, I have this already. Now if you don't know how to change, because if you look, you can see that they are plain. They didn't all come plain, they came with silver on it. If you don't know how to do that, I'll be dropping the video very soon too. So if you don't want to miss the video, click the subscribe button and the notification, the bell, so that you'll be notified when I upload that. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing to decorate this, that's our process now. So this is 36 inches, that's 1 yard. Same with this, 36 inches, 1 yard. So I'm going to be dividing them into two equal halves. Take note, I've already ironed them down, so that's why you can't see any folds. You need to iron them down so that you get them looking also pretty the way they need to be. Okay, so I'm going to quickly sew the edges. We need to sew the edges. Now this is the way it's going to be, so I might as well sew the edges, folding it the way I need it to be. Okay, so it will help to keep it in shape, and it's good once you're done, either you glue it or this has gone. Let's make use of this other one. It's good you sew it quickly because it starts fraying if you don't do that. I'm going to knot it. The same next time, I think I'll use shorter one. Okay, let's cut this off. Make another knot. Make it double. So I have some glue stains on my hands. I was doing some. What was I doing? Which work did I do? Okay, that's when I was making this. That's why I have some glue stains. Okay, so like this again. Okay, I'm going to sew the edge as well. Like this. Then you find your midpoint, which is here. Take here, bring this here, make sure it's still keeping in its shape. Okay, and then we sew. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking it in through here like this. Okay, so before I complete, I'm going to do that to all this four, and we'll be back to see how I put them all in. So I'm done with the 3 pieces, so let's attach them. So the best would be to make use of so I'm going to be best is to make use of, I didn't finish my thought, invisible thread so it's not seen. So I'm trying to swing it through here. It is fair now. So we put this next. Up here to check. So I'm going to put it behind this. So I'll just sew it to it. I'm doing this because it's, I don't know, it got hooked there, so this is the best way so that I don't lose my work. Okay, so the next one, this one is going to come. Okay, let me tie this one. Has I tied it? Yes. Can remove this. Next one will come on top like this. to redo it a bit looking at the camera. So I noticed that this was a bit higher, so I sewed it to this side here. Okay, these ones were higher, then I sewed this in here like this, and that's how we have this. See how it looks? I kind of prefer this side. This side looks very cheeky and lovely. What do you think? A or B? A or B? Which do you prefer? Although I always like things at my side, at the right hand side, but this side looks finer. Okay, so we should have a challenge for today. So what's the challenge for this week? The challenge for this week is I'm thinking, what do we do? Okay, what's the name of the first video that we used to make the first part that I didn't add in this video? What is the title of that video? So I would pick a person randomly, and the first person to get it would attend Fascinator class 1 for free.